Y'all see my face and my hair? She mad pretty. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia, and in today's video I'm so duper excited to be reviewing and showing you this eyeshadow look right here, and also this bomb hair. All right, but I'm going to be reviewing the eyeshadow palette from Jackie Aina. She collabed with Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm pretty sure you guys already know what's going on. Yeah, everybody named Mama been talking about this palette, and I had to get my hands on it. Black girl magic, she's doing her thing. I had to support, and I decided to recreate a look that she did in her channel initially with this eyeshadow palette. As you can see here, you know, we have different eye shapes. I have hooded lids, and she got lid space for years, okay, for days. So I decided to do the best I could to recreate what she did. So you guys let me know how I did. Just check it out in a few. And also I have details on this hair. I already did a video on this hair already, so this is just a follow-up letting you guys know how the hair is holding up. That's also going to be in this video. But before this video goes on, I want to give you 2-3 seconds to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, because I have a lot of stuff and a lot of material coming out in the next couple of weeks, the next couple of months. I am motivated and ready to share with you guys everything makeup and hair and life and etc. All right, now you guys know I can be on here talking for years and years and years. I'm not going to do that. I don't want this video to be too long. So if you guys want to see exactly what I did to achieve this Jackie Aina inspired look, and also this beachy hair, wet hair, deep wave hair, keep on watching. Typically I like to go in with my eyes first, but because Jackie Aina, she does her base first, I'm gonna follow exactly what she did. And she didn't show, I don't think she showed the foundation part of the makeup look, but I haven't done a makeup video on this channel in such a long time, so I decided, you know what, let me do my base first in front of you guys. I did go ahead and apply my primer. I went with the Milk Makeup Hydro Primer, and then on top of that I took the Versailles Skin Tune Blur. Jackie Aina always recommends this, so I did go ahead and purchase the mini size just to see how I would like it, and I definitely do like it, so I am gonna go back and purchase the full size of that. I applied the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer on my smile lines. I don't use this as eyeshadow primer. This is a video inspired by Jackie Aina. I am going to use a Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I use the color Spiced Rum. This is definitely my summer shade, okay? And usually I go in with a beauty blender or a sponge to apply my foundation, but today I'm doing something a little different. I received this brush set from Vanity Planet. I've always wanted to use these types of brush sets. This is the Blend Party Oval Makeup Brush Set. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 brushes for your face and also your eyes. Like, how cool is this? I'm definitely going to use these two. Alright, so if you're interested, of course, I will leave this in my description box. Vanity Planet is always being innovative, coming out with different tools, alright, so that we can enjoy. I'm going to take 2 pumps of the foundation, take this brush, and how am I supposed to do this? Okay. Oh, okay. This is cool. Next, gonna go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Chestnut. Taking my beauty blender to just blend this out. Next, I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier medium deep translucent powder to set everywhere that I applied that concealer. Gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in the color Mahogany. Love this bronzer, y'all. Gonna use this to bronze the face. I've been wearing this unit all summer long, besides when, of course, I have my my faux locks or my passion twist, and been rocking this wig to my vacations, and it's still holding up. It's still beautiful. So I did a video on this, check it out in my description box, but just wanted to show you guys and follow up just to show you, if you do plan on getting this unit, that it does last. It does. I've washed this unit at least 4 times already, and still not getting shedding. Of course, you're gonna get a little bit of shedding once you keep running your hands through the unit, but overall not a crazy amount of shedding. And this is the deep wave hair from the company called All Love. check out my description box for all the details on this unit and their website, and also a discount code if you are interested in purchasing something like this. Now, Jackie Aina did have a unit like similar to this. I ain't got her coin, but something similar to this in her video. So I was like, oh, this is very appropriate. I would love to show you guys a follow-up of why I love this unit so much. I'm not gonna stick it down with my bond glue. No, I don't want this to stay on like all week. I'm just gonna apply some got-to-be glue and make sure that that stays secure. Now let's move on to the eyes. I'm gonna apply a little bit of my Sacha Buttercup because I did hear that this palette has a little bit of fallout. So I'm just gonna apply this so that it can catch any fallout. Nothing crazy. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for. I'm excited, y'all. This is the Jackie Aina palette. Look at this packaging. Like, you see the iridescence and the color. Like, I can't. I am a sucker for packaging, and I just love how they took their time for this. Like, this is so pretty. And I also like that it matches her personality, you know what I'm saying? A little extra, but we love it, right? So I did cheat and open this already. When it came in the mail yesterday, I couldn't wait just to look at the colors and swatch a couple of the colors. So I did do that. I'm not gonna swatch the colors in this video because I feel like by now there are hundreds of videos out there with the swatches, so I'm not gonna swatch them now. This is the palette, and let me open this up. Of course, it comes with a little brush here. Okay, let me take the plastic off, a mirror, and these are the beautiful non-ashy colors. I don't know what people are talking about. Heard some people say that it comes across ashy. Where ashy? Where? No. So first, it looks like she primed her lids by applying concealer. So I'm gonna do the same. And this just helps to cancel out any discoloration and gives the shadows something to stick to. Like, I'm super duper proud of Jackie Aina. Like, I feel like, I don't care whether you like her or not, this is a huge accomplishment. And I just feel like with all the backlash that she's getting on some of these shade names, I'm just like, come on guys, are you serious? Are you really? Like, I don't know. People are weird. Society is strange, and I'm not with it. I'm not. Like, it's amazing to see people's true colors, especially nowadays. And I do feel like everyone is entitled to their opinion. You don't have to like her, you know what I mean? But to take away everything that she's done for the culture, okay? I just feel like it's sad. Give credit where credit is due. And whether you like her or not, I feel like everyone, well, you don't have to, but I feel like we should acknowledge people for their talents and what they do to help change the norm. You know what I mean? Not saying that Jackie Aina was the first to speak about the lack of shade range in the makeup industry, but I felt like she used her platform to really bring about the issues and to really speak about the lack of diversity, point blank period. And I acknowledge that. And that's why I have to support, I don't have to, I want to support whatever she got going on. So first she went in with the color Pinker into her crease transition area. So I'm gonna do that too. There is a bit of kickback. If you don't like kickback, then I don't know, tell you. I feel like most palettes whose colors have a lot of pigments, you're gonna get kickback. But if that bothers you, then you might not like this palette, but it doesn't bother me. I expect it if a palette has crazy pigment. My eye shape, I do have hooded lids, and Jackie Aina has beautiful lids. Like, she has lids for days, right? So of course this look is not gonna look exactly the same. That's why I say that this look is inspired by Jackie, but I'm gonna do my best. All right, so next I'm actually gonna use the brush that came with the palette. She used the color Wigglies. This is my favorite, so yeah, we're gonna do that. The pigment though, like, this is just so pretty. Like, I can see myself, of course, rocking this color for the holiday season, for Christmas, Valentine's Day. But this is also appropriate for summertime. I just love that these shades can transition into other seasons. Mad pretty. And because I have hooded lids, I like to take the color above my lid just so that you can see it when I open my eyes. You know what I'm saying? All right, and next I'm going to take this color, Credit, this beautiful brown color right here. Gonna use this on my outer V. Yo, these colors, ashy wear. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna drag that. So I placed the color in the outer V section and I'm gonna drag that towards the center. So you know, if this color is as pigmented on my skin tone and color, imagine someone way lighter than me. Like, they're gonna get like a double whammy, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't understand the complaints. Some people was like, this palette is only made for black women, brown skin. Like, are you dumb? It's not only made for, you know, she made this palette with, of course, because she's a brown skinned girl, right? With herself in mind. She wanted something that she would be able to use. I don't know. Make it make sense for me, y'all. Make it make sense for me. Y'all be bugging for no reason. Like, stop it, bruh. This is gorgeous. So then I'm gonna go back with my Wiggly's color just to make sure the color doesn't get lost. I'm not reapplying. I didn't even add more product. I'm just making sure that that color stands out. Next, she went with the color Supreme, this bright neon pink color right here, which is a little scary at first. All right, I was like, huh? But when she did it, I was like, oh snap, it worked. I'm gonna take this and start to blend that. What did she do? From the inner to outer. So right up in here, it just softens the look up. It just makes everything make sense. If that makes sense. Right? Yes. That's pretty. Mad pretty, yes. I can't find my brown eyeliner, so I'm gonna go in with my black kohl pencil to tightline my bottom lash line. Gonna go back in with Credit to smoke out the bottom lash line. That's to smoke out that black. Then I'm gonna go in with Pinker and then Supreme on top of that with another brush. So with this look, she didn't do a heavy top eyeliner look. She just applied Credit real close to the lash line. So I'm just gonna do the same. Gonna apply my lashes and I'll be right back. All right, as my inner tear duct today, I'm going to use the color Soleil. She used this for her inner tear ducts, and also she highlighted her brow bone with this color as well. So I'm gonna take some of that. Ooh, that's pretty. Look, y'all. Very pretty and very pigmented. Ooh. That just brought the whole look together, right? I'm gonna take a little bit of that and to just highlight the arch of my brow bone. Try my best not to go crazy here. A little bit goes a very long way. Here we go. Just making sure everything is blended. I'm not gonna go in with the same lippy that she did, but I do want to show you guys. I went in and purchased. This is my first Milk Cosmetic purchase. They had this palette, this undertone nudes, not palette, lip collection. It's like a whole bunch of nudes, and I was like, this caught my eye, and I was like, oh my god, I have to get it. The fall is coming. I feel like these nudes are perfect for the summer, the fall, basically all season long. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the color Ginger. That stood out to me. Yeah, I'm gonna use Ginger, and then in the center of that, I'm gonna use the color Golden. So I'm gonna be using these two lippies today. I'm not sure if I want the look to be matte or if I want it to be a glossy look. We'll see how it turns out. Going with a brown lip liner from ColourPop in the color Pitch. Any brown lip liner will do. Ooh, this is so pretty, the packaging for these Milk Cosmetic lippies. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like I want to eat it. All right, gonna go in with Ginger. Gonna let that dry up a little bit before I go in with the other color. Next, gonna go in with that lighter color. This is in color golden. Yeah, golden. I wouldn't be able to wear this on its own, but this is a great color to put in the center just to give you some depth. Should I put a gloss on this? Just gonna apply some foam with the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Styling and Shine Foam Mousse. Just gonna apply some to the hair. Oh, this hair, man, it's just like bomb. You know what, because this is sort of like I feel like this is a wet look, I think I should go in with some gloss, right? Let me not be too matte. Yeah, let me go in with some gloss. Gonna go in with this gloss that I received from a BoxyCharm box in the color Peach Tea. It just says lemonade on it, so I'm not sure, and it says DC up here. I'm not sure which brand this is. I'll figure it out and leave it in my description box, but let me see how this is gonna look on this. That's cool. Pretty, right? Let me give you guys a side profile of what everything is looking like. The eyes. Love it. So again, congratulations to Jackie Aina on this major and huge accomplishment. The palette is just perfect. It's bomb. I can't wait to see what else she has in store for us. And also, and thank you again to All Love Company for this bomb unit. It just makes me feel brand new, like I belong on somebody's beach. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully you guys enjoy. Please feel free to check out my description box for all of the products, the makeup, the details on this hair. If you're interested in purchasing, everything will be in my description box. Hopefully I can get everything in there that I used today. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it in the comment section. Are you gonna get this palette? Do you plan on getting it? If you have already purchased it, what do you think about this eyeshadow palette? If you don't already, please make sure to follow me on all of my social media, including Instagram, Snapchat, IG stories, because I do daily updates on what's going on, what I'm wearing, my hair, my clothes, my makeup, pretty much etc. Everything. Okay, so make sure to follow me on all of my social media. That also will be listed in my description box. And please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Come on now, what are we waiting for? You know what I'm saying? Okay? Alright y'all, thank you for tuning in. Until next time, bye.